Alright YouTubers, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Lego table. I got 4 32-inch, 1.5 inch for the legs. This is the top one. I got the leg holes cut out. This is going to be towards the bottom to store Legos. I got a 6-pack of these 5 by 10 inch little brick pad things here. That's going to be on top. So it's going to be a 15 by 20 total. Got some wood glue, wood screws, 1.25 inch for 1 inch pieces, and I got my drill. You can see I got the top on. I got it glued and screwed in. Working on this one, I put the little pieces on here. Got them screwed in, glued on top and the sides. Just put this piece on here now. And then I'm going to put a screw on the top of all 4. That all done, I'm going to glue the things on. I got my glue there. These little things have holes in them, so I'll glue them down, then nail them down. I'm going to do alternate colors on them. Okay, so I got the little sides on for the little cubby pot. I got it upside down, as you can see. Anyways, here's the sides on. One was just a little, actually I did the 220-inch sides, and then I did the 15-inch side. I put it up to 16 inches. And so I took the little pieces off right here. You can see I decided to do something a little different. I got a few 1-foot boards of this stuff right here.
Why do I need a gun?
Let's see, do a little mass murder on Grand Theft Auto. I'm bad.
Why do I need a gun?
Okay, so there's the chairs that I made. Just 2 boards. The first one's kind of offset. I think like 1.5 inches. 3 screws in that one. On each side. Put some Legos in there right now. Cutie Baber's making a castle. Huh, babe? She likes to stand up. Sit down, babe. So they can see. There we go. Got the heat rooms. Go, babe. You like it? Get this all finished up now. I'm going to sand it up first, and then I'm going to throw some stain on it. I got an 80 and 180. I'm going to start with the 80, then after that do 180. Do each side, then I'm going to get the top of the chairs and stuff too. Use a sander right here. I recommend using one of those, or else your hands are going to start killing yourself after about 10 minutes. Alright, I got it all sanded off with the 80. You can see it's already starting to look better. I noticed this part right here was coming off a little bit, so I'm going to throw a little glue in there and hold it down with some of this duct tape right here. I'm going to dust it off and then sand it with the finer sandpaper, I mean. Tape down, I'm going to flip it over and sand the other side. Safety first. Alright, got her all sanded now. I used both the grids on it already. You can see there's a lot of sawdust on it still. So I got this wet rag right here. I'm just going to wipe it all down before I stain it. Let it dry and then stain it. Alright, so I'm starting to stain it. Got it all sanded down. Using a driftwood colored stain. It's kind of a grayish brown. There's kind of a nice grayish color on it. Just go slow on it. Try to keep it even. Trying not to let it run anywhere, drip anywhere. Starting at the top, with just a light coat. Work my way down. Getting the little cracks and stuff. And then just do a complete up and down motion, and look how pretty that is. Inside the screw holes. Nice and drifty. Swifty and drifty. There she is. All stained up and looking pretty. Inside box all stained. Interior's all stained. There's the top.